Alright guys, quick video. We've got the Hurricane Florence coming. Of course, and everybody lets their generator sit and gum up. Mine had a surging problem. It's a Coleman PowerMate 10 horsepower motor, 5,000 watt generator, but it does have a Tecumseh carburetor on it. Mine has the surging. I did a quick look. Everybody had a problem with surging. Everybody's putting carburetors on them. Wasn't fixing it. I'll show you what I did. Get it started. You can see it was surging pretty regular right there. This adjustment screw right here is turned all the way in. It should have some kind of adhesive on it or thread lock or something to keep it from backing out, but I found if you turn it not even a quarter turn, as you can see on the carburetor, there's a small mark above where my screwdriver is. I found mine runs the best right about in that area. I did take the screw out, all the way out. You're not going to hurt anything, not going to lose any fuel. Took it out, dropped a small drop of blue Loctite on it, and pretty much solved my surging problem. That's it. Hope it helped.